Coffee, guys. Second day today. We're waiting for our sundo. So I booked a trip to saan ba yun? Katchaburi? Wait lang ah. Good morning! We are on our second day in Thailand. So we're just waiting for a sundo from Elephant World. Yung kinontrata ng Elephant World na sunduin kami. We're going to Kanchanaburi. 3 hours away siya, so medyo mahaba. Pero among all the options, yung Elephant World lang yung nag-o-offer ng hatid at sundo. So yun na lang yung binook namin. At least nakaupo na lang kami kahit malayo. At least nakaupo na lang kami. Hindi na kami magko-commute. Ayun. So may dading excited doon. Aga nagising, aga naligo. We are on our way to Kanchanaburi. Actually, we are already in Kanchanaburi, pero mukhang papasok pa yung pupuntahan namin. Kaya, we're still here in the car. So, I booked this tour via Klook. Yung prices niya magba-vary kasi included yung hatid at sundo. So it would depend dun sa head count. Like in our case, since there are only 2 of us, tapos solo namin yung sasakyan, mas mahal yung binayaran namin. But that's the minimum head count na pwedeng makapag-book ng with service transfers. Ayan. So very comfortable. So kahit mahabang biyahe, I think we're riding a Toyota Camry, so we're very comfortable. Paminsan-minsan maganda din yung makakaramdam ka ng ganitong special treatment. Paminsan-minsan. Kaya dapat. Ano ba lagi sinasabi ni Joey De Leon? Work, save, and travel. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung talaga niyang sinabi. Can you hear that? Ano yan? Ano ang area nila? So lumipat kami dito sa eating area yan eh. So meron kaming
binigyan kami ng
lunch
dito,
buffet.
Water
with sorry.
With
container.
Sling bag.
Sling bag container. Yan. Ganda dito. Pwede ka rin umupo dyan sa baba. Ganda. Laki nito.
Malaki ito. Ayun, babae.
Hala, daddy, laki ng tae niyo. Hi. This is not food. Hi. Pwede sarap. Oh, there's Leila. Ouch! It's hot.
No hot.
Nadine. Mangingitim ka ngayon. Gusto mo yan, ha?
This is very nice to hear them. You say you pay for this for Cali Grass.
We wanna experience. We
I
wanna.
can't believe it. I never hear tourists. Yeah, something like that. Don't worry. Something that you're looking for.
But just 5 minutes, ha? For 5 minutes.
Oh no, 5 minutes. Elephant, they eat more than 400 kilograms for an elephant. Fun?
It's hard.
Akin na ako.
Pagod na yung buntis. The kambal is pagod. We are cutting grasses for the elephants. Sabi ko 5 minutes lang pero matakaw daw ang elephant. Okay. Yung nagyayang mag-cut grass, cutting grass, naunang magpahinga. Hindi ko maben yung chan ko. The buntis. It's tired. So, ayan sila. Ayan na yung mga nakuha. Huge! Yan, tayo natin tumain. Walking with the elephant. Ayan lang siya. Naku. Daddy. Hi, Jok! Shoutout sa boss mo na hindi ka pinayagan. Ayun, so tumain na siya. We're supposed to join them. Pero ayun yung mga tae.
Tae.
Yeah!
Ligo tae.
Ah, so you will strain them. There. So those are the giant hoops. Saan ka dun, oh? Daddy, yun, oh?
Very big poop.
There's another poop. Sightseeing lang tayo dito. Well, they help the elephants do their mud bath. Kasi baka ma-infect tayo. Delikado. Mamaya na tayo maliligo. Daddy, wag mong ipitin. Magagalit yan sa'yo.
Not clean yet. No, you have to brush hard brush. Yes. Dia kopi lagi. Gandian og nữaวันนี้ Puta ina. Protein này là 1 2 One more. 1 2 3. One more. 1 2 and 3. I got it.
Lakihan mo. Hindi, sige pa. Yung kamas niya, ang laki. Sige pa, kulang. More. Ay, shush. We look after you, good enough. Right? All your money is because of me now. I feel very sad.